Can you bury PEX pipe underground? Yes, you can, but not all PEX installs are created equal, and this is one place where shortcuts come back to bite you. So let's walk through how to safely and securely bury PEX underground. What is direct burial PEX? Direct burial PEX means the pipe is installed underground without a conduit, no sleeve, no chase, just pipe in the ground. PEX is flexible, corrosion-resistant, and doesn't react to most soil conditions. That's what makes it a good candidate for burial in the first place. But can be buried doesn't mean bury it however you want. The install still matters. There are different types of PEX: PEX-A, PEX-B, and PEX-C. All PEX isn't the same, especially underground. PEX-A is the most flexible. It handles expansion better. It's also more forgiving if water freezes inside. PEX-B is stiffer. It's strong, holds pressure well, and is often more affordable, but it doesn't expand as much under stress. PEX-C is less common. It's more rigid and not usually the first choice for underground installs. If the ground shifts, settles, or freezes, flexibility matters. That's why many installers lean toward PEX-A for burial. A good underground install is simple. 1. Dig below the frost line. This keeps the pipe out of freezing conditions. 2. Prep the trench. Remove rocks, debris, anything sharp. A few inches of sand or fine soil helps protect the pipe. 3. Lay the PEX without stress. Don't pull it tight. Let it sit naturally so it can expand and contract. 4. Avoid unnecessary fittings underground. Every connection point is a potential failure point. If you can run a continuous length, do it. 5. Backfill carefully. Start with soft material around the pipe, then finish with native soil. When burying PEX underground, it's important to think of freeze protection. PEX can handle freezing better than copper, but it's not freeze-proof. Water expands when it freezes. If the pipe is trapped with nowhere to move, it can split. A few ways to reduce the risk. Bury below the frost line whenever possible. Avoid tight bends or tension in the pipe. Minimize the number of fittings you're using on the pipe. Consider insulation in borderline climates. In exposed areas, heat tracing may be worth it. Cover any fittings used in silicone wrap for additional protection. Always check code and local rules before burying anything. Some areas require sleeving or conduit, specific burial depths, restrictions on certain types of PEX. And inspectors don't care what usually works, they care what's allowed. A 5-minute check up front can save you from digging it all back up later. So yes, you can bury PEX underground. It's done every day, and when it's installed right, it lasts. But the difference between a system that runs for 20 years and one that fails early usually comes down to how carefully it went into the ground. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more, and head over to supplyhouse.com when you're ready to get the job done right.